Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about financial aids and scholarships for undergraduate and graduate students in University of Illinois Edward in United States of America. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe, and click bell icon as you can receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened official website of Southern Illinois University. Here financial aid, we will search here scholarships, awards and grants. You can see here all grants and scholarships for undergraduate domestic students, undergraduate Illinois University students, undergraduate international students, undergraduate domestic or transfer students, and graduate international students. So we will discuss undergraduate international students and awards and scholarships for graduate international students. So first I am going to click undergraduate international students. You can see here for this university there are two scholarships. Meridian scholarship, amount full tuition, fees, room and board. This is fully funded scholarships. The deadline is November 15, 2022. For further details, we will click here. We can check scholarships amount. Here we can check in Illinois University full tuition waived by this scholarship. All your fees, room and board will be covered by scholarships. Audience undergraduate domestic students and undergraduate international students. Now overview. The Meridian scholarship is Southern Illinois University Edward Premium Academic Scholarships. Meridian scholars receive 4 years of tuition, fees, room and board. The following items must be submitted by November 15, 2022 to ensure consideration for the Meridian scholarship. When you are going to apply for the admission in Illinois University, then you have also to submit all the required documents for this scholarship. Students who are going to apply for undergraduate program. So here you can apply for this scholarship. When you will click here, we will open it in new tab. Here we are on the portal of the scholarship and grants page. You can check here undergraduate, US students or international students, graduate domestic and international students, doctoral domestic and international students. Complete the online supplemental profile form. First you have to fill online application form. Students interested in the Meridian scholarship program are highly encouraged to visit campus prior to November 15 and learn how Southern Illinois University Edward can help fulfill your academic goals. For this scholarship, the criteria is mentioned here. Admitted first year students will be considered with a cumulative GPA 3.5, high school out of 4 scale. Approximately, if you are going to apply for undergraduate, then approximately you should have 75 to 80% in your high school, then you are eligible for this scholarship. Contacts. Here are different contacts given. If you have any question about a scholarship or technical problem, then you can contact directly on this given numbers and email address. Now we will discuss about graduate international scholarships. We will click here. You can check three types of scholarships here for graduate students. The deadline varies. Competitive graduate award for international students, in which research assistantship that includes tuition, media, and 8,370 stipend for graduate students. The deadline for this award is January 15th, 2023. And here graduate scholar award tuition waiver for up to 30 credits hours. So we will click here on competitive graduate award. Here all these are the details. Research assistantship that includes tuition waiver and 8,370 US dollars stipend. The deadline for this award is January 15th. Award structure and benefits. Full tuition waiver for both fall and spring semesters. Highly competitive stipend rate, you can check here, of 984 per month. Research assistantship. Eligibility criteria. The applicants must be one of the following: a fully admitted new graduate student who is accepted as a classified student in a master's graduate degree program at Southern Illinois University Edward, and whose first term of enrollment will be no earlier than the summer preceding the fall award period. Applicant must have minimum 3.25 cumulative GPA out of 4 scale. Application deadline, as we discussed earlier, January 15th, 2023. Steps for application. Only online we have to apply. Step 1. Step 2, application for admission. There are the timelines, and then review criteria, conditions and awards. If you have further question or queries or technical problem to applying for a scholarship, then you can contact on this given email address, graduateschool@siue.edu. So this is best opportunity for graduate and undergraduate students. If you have further questions, you can ask in comment box, or you can contact me directly on Telegram group. So see you soon in next video. Take care and bye.